Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Soft Hands. Today in this video I will talk about what is Python and how can we download Python new version, updated and latest version from the original and absolutely free website of python.org, and from there we can easily and free of cost we can download Python latest version. So let's go to the Google, and here I will write Python, and it will go to the first link you will see is python.org. It is the official website of Python. From here you can easily download any version of Python, and it will firstly show you the latest Python version, which is updated and free of cost. So from here we can go to the downloads, and you can download here. The latest version of Python is currently 3.13.1. so this is the latest version of Python, and from here you can download the latest version. You can also download the previous version of Pythons from here. Now I will talk about the latest version of Python. So from here, in the download Python button you can click, and the Python's latest version has started download. So until we will wait here, and it will download the latest version of Python. Alright, so Python 3.13 version has been installed in our PC. We will just go to the folder. In that folder, downloads folder, where the setup has been downloaded. Here we will right click and click on the open. Alright, so in these two options we will click on install now option. Click on yes, and the setup installation of Python has been started. So until we will wait, I will guide you each and every step to install the Python 3.13 latest version in your PC or your laptop. Alright, so the setup of Python latest version has been installed in our PC. We will just click on the close button, and now I will show you where it has been installed, and we will also run a few of the statements. And this is the Python installed in our PC. This is the IDLE, where we will just run a few commands. I will show you one of the commands too, that it is working. Alright, so here I will write a simple print command in the Python to check. So hello, I am Soft Hacks. So that's the name of my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you. Alright, so the Python shell has been easily installed in our PC, and the latest version of Python we have been installed. And if you want to save your complete project, so you can go to the file and click here a new file, and from here you can also save your file. For example, I'm writing here hello, and you want to just save this program or your project, so you can save this project as save as command, and anywhere where you want to save your Python projects. So I'm saving it here with the okay, I'm saving on the desktop as this first command, or you can name it first program save, and you can see the Python first program has been saved in the desktop. Okay, so this is the video on Python installation, and I have also shown you the first print, just simple print command in this the Python shell. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Goodbye.